Have you ever noticed how some people seem to make life harder than it needs to be? Constantly repeating mistakes, refusing to learn, or always blaming others? It's not always arrogance or bad luck. Sometimes it's a reflection of low intelligence. And no, intelligence isn't just about IQ or book smarts. It's about adaptability, emotional awareness, critical thinking, and the ability to reflect on your own behavior. Let's look at some everyday habits that quietly reveal lower intelligence. And you might be surprised how subtle they are. First, refusing to admit mistakes. Intelligent people understand that growth requires humility. They can say, I was wrong, and adjust. But people with lower intelligence often double down when proven wrong. They get defensive instead of curious. Their ego becomes a shield against learning. You'll notice they argue louder when they have no facts, or they change the topic instead of reflecting. To them, being right feels more important than being real, and that mindset traps them in ignorance. Another clear sign is reacting instead of thinking. Emotionally impulsive behavior, snapping at others, taking offense easily, or making decisions purely out of anger or excitement, shows a lack of mental regulation. Intelligent people pause before reacting. They ask, is this worth my energy? Or, what outcome do I want here? But people with lower intelligence often act first and regret later. They let short-term emotions dictate long-term consequences, creating endless cycles of chaos in their relationships and careers. Then there's meet with a habit of constant distraction. People with low intelligence often seek instant gratification. They can't sit in silence, think deeply, or focus on one task without getting restless. They're glued to their phones, chasing dopamine hits from notifications. Instead of creating or learning, they consume endlessly. Intelligent minds, on the other hand, crave depth. They read, reflect, and connect ideas. They understand that focus is power. Low intelligence thrives on noise. High intelligence thrives in stillness. One of the most underestimated signs is mocking what they don't understand. Have you ever seen someone laugh at a complex idea or dismiss someone as weird just because they think differently? That's intellectual insecurity disguised as humor. Instead of exploring something new, they ridicule it to protect their ego. It's easier to mock than to admit confusion. Meanwhile, intelligent people are curious. They ask questions instead of making judgments. Another subtle but powerful sign is never questioning one's own beliefs. People with low intelligence treat their opinions as sacred truths. They only read or listen to things that confirm what they already think. They live in mental echo chambers. Intelligent people, in contrast, enjoy being challenged. They want to know why others think differently. They understand that truth requires constant revision. Next, neglecting self-awareness. Low intelligence often comes with a lack of introspection. People never pause to ask, why do I behave this way? Or, am I the problem? They externalize everything. My boss is unfair. My partner is too sensitive. The world is against me. But intelligent people take accountability. They know that self-awareness is the foundation of growth. The less you understand yourself, the more blind spots you carry. Finally, being overly judgmental. People with lower intelligence often rely on stereotypes or quick assumptions. It's easier for them to label than to understand. They measure others by appearances, status, or conformity because deep analysis requires effort. Intelligent people stay open-minded. They look beyond the surface and see the complexity in others. The truth is, low intelligence often hides behind confidence, humor, or stubbornness. It's not about how much someone knows, it's about how willing they are to learn, listen, and evolve. Everyday habits reveal more about a person's intelligence than any test ever could. So if you recognize some of these traits in yourself, don't feel bad. Awareness is the first step to growth. Intelligence isn't fixed, it's cultivated through humility, curiosity, and reflection. The smartest people aren't those who know everything. They're the ones who never stop learning.